Year 2000, when we started building up the university center, I make a picture of this area. There are some older buildings and there were new ones. I was imagining that it could be in the future. And nowadays we can see that we already have those buildings there. I think that we are going to double in the staff members, students and the people working at the enterprises year 2030 compared to this day.
Hämeenlinna is an attractive city situated in the most important growth center in Finland. We have a good cooperation with the industry, with the university, and the companies respect our cooperation capabilities, which can be seen that they strengthen their presence here in Hämeenlinna.
In Hämeenlinna we've learned to work together. This korkeakoulukeskus is a good example. We do together with the university, the city and of course the enterprises and all the people working in those.
We have a lot of staff members in the university that are capable for teaching and for research activities. That means that there are possibilities to develop new ideas, develop new products and new processes and such things here.
Our university here in Hämeenlinna, they have good facilities and also good equipment, which enable the companies to develop cutting-edge technologies to be able to survive here in the local and also in the global markets.
We offer three things. Very flexible modern premises for companies so that the companies can increase or decrease their premises. The other thing is that we are offering daily services for companies. That means, for example, information desks, conference or meeting rooms, catering services, etc. The third thing, what is the most important thing, is that we offer development services for companies. That means all those services what they need for their growth. We have here in two buildings, we have about 100 companies and we have an ambitious aim to double this in the coming years. So this business district here in the university campus will expand for several buildings. I see the future very promising for us. This is located in a perfect place and companies are really interested to be among other same kind of knowledge incentive companies.
The world is changing and we help customers to move their business and digitalize it. And we have 100 people in the organization and most of them are working in Hämeenlinna. When we need new young people to the industry, it's very useful that in the next building there's a university where we can grow the new generation of professionals to this industry. The future looks very promising and I'm quite sure that we probably need much more space. We are hiring more and more people are willing to move in this area.
So enterprises that want to develop themselves, they benefit about this region.
In the complex world, you have to learn from each other. You have to get to know how other people think and together find the new possibilities.
We are really rapidly working on to build up a new type of education environment. And that means that in this new environment, students and staff members are working more and more together with the enterprises. And most important thing for this region and this university center are those students. They see possibilities in the future, so we can, together with them, develop a better world.
I'm studying construction engineering and I've just finished my first year. So I've spent almost 1 year here in Finland in Hämeenlinna. I enjoy my studies and most of all I enjoy my life here. It's really comfortable to live here. I don't need to think too much about, for example, traveling from one point in the city to the other. I will do my best to find a job in Finland because after 1 year I understood that it's a really nice country to live in. So I hope that I will find a job in construction area.
In Hämeenlinna you can live the everyday life with all the Western possibilities, but then you can also enjoy the fantastic Finnish nature and its possibilities.
The city is very safe and cozy, and we have a good dynamic atmosphere here in Hämeenlinna.
I love to live in the Hämeenlinna region because I think that this is an area that people and this area want to develop themselves. And I love to be on the region where people have goals and want to go somewhere. And here we can see this happening and we have a lot of possibilities.
It's a good place to live for all of us.